Hello everyone, my name is Professor Sen. I'm a professor of practice in the Industrial and System Engineering Department of Hong Kong Polytechnic University. I teach subjects including logistics, supply chain, and also the system. Oh, the best point about your workshop is interactive approach. My students get along with just only having the practical exercise, but also live scenario to learn more from the ERP systems. And it gave them a lot of the confidence to boost up in their employability. From the feedback and reflections from the students, they clearly stated they have really enjoyed the workshop.
It's really fun and I learned a lot, and we can practice the software by my hand, and now I know how to use them.
I know the real operation in the company. I think I have a good time with my classmates and instructors.
I thought it was really helpful for both my master course and the future job searching.
The Odoo Education Workshop is fun, practical, interactive. I would strongly recommend to have this Odoo Education Workshop.